What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on AMP. And as you guys can see, AMP hasn't moved much in the last 24 hours. It is just about 2% down, and this is its current price. So we're going to be going through where is it heading to next. Is it going to pump anytime soon? Is it going to drop down in value, or is it going to maintain its current price range over the next couple of days, weeks, months, and so on and so on? So we are going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, and also looking at both short-term and long-term investors, as there's a lot of you guys watching this video who are both short-term and long-term investors. So let's get straight into it. We are currently on the Coinbase website. Again, before I go into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So according to Coinbase, the market is down just about 0.4%, and we do have AMP, which is over 2% down in the last 24 hours. In the last hour, it has maintained its value. Over the week, however, it has dropped 5%, consistent drops over the last 7 days, as you guys can see. And again, it is not looking too good, and even over the month, it has dropped a huge 20%, guys. So these little drops every single day or every single week do add up. As you can see, over the month it is down 20%, which is again not good news for AMP. And again, the fact that it keeps dropping, most people are not willing to invest into it, because the mentality is, if I invest $100 today, who knows where it's going to be in a week's time or a month time. It's probably going to be at a lower value than where it is at the moment. And that is why I usually recommend using DCA, dollar cost averaging, which I have explained plenty of times in my previous videos. If you guys don't know, just a quick explanation. If you've got $100 you want to invest, I would invest $10 every single day for the next 10 days, or $10 every single week for the next 10 weeks. However you guys want to split it up is up to you, and that reduces the risk, and also it averages out the value of the crypto as well. Anyways, going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone down by 12% in the last 24 hours, making it $5 million. Only reason it's dropped so much, or dropped 12%, is because the value has also dropped, and it has been dropping consistently over the last 4 or 5 weeks. So not many people are trading the crypto right now. Most people are just holding on to it, including myself. I own AMP as well, but at the moment I'm just holding on to it. If it does drop quite a bit to a value where I think, you know what, is a decent value, then I will invest into it. But at the moment, all I'm doing is holding on to the crypto. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of AMP, which is here in purple at 0.002077 cents. However, we can see it trading at slightly lower value here in green at 0.002048 cents, meaning it's not performing too well and slightly lower than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, just a little disclaimer. As usual guys, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have a mixed signal here. We've got the blue line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So essentially what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. So what this means is an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected from AMP over the next 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, we should essentially see AMP trading around its current price range of where it is at the moment. Again, yes, there may be little peaks and dips in between, just like how it's been over the last couple of hours, but it's likely to maintain its value towards the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow. So again, no major changes are expected from AMP over the next day or so. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, This is quite surprising. I was expecting it to go in a bearish direction, but for some reason it is looking quite bullish. We got both the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction. So according to the graph, an overall increase in value is what is expected from this crypto over the next 7 to 8 days. So towards the end of next week, we should see AMP trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. So could this indicate a potential pump coming soon? Personally, guys, no, unless Bitcoin goes for a pump up in value to about 33,000 or above, then yes, we are going to see pumps in the crypto market, including AMP. But at the moment, I'm not expecting that, so I'm not expecting an increase in value from AMP either. What I'm expecting from AMP is for it to drop down in value to below 0.002 cents over the next 7 to 8 days. So towards the end of next week, it should essentially be trading at a slightly lower value than this value here, unless the crypto market goes for a pump in value. And if it does happen, I will of course keep you guys updated as soon as I can and as much as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we expect from AMP? So as you guys can see, we do have the blue and the orange line still looking slightly bullish, heading towards a positive direction. So again, an overall increase in value is what is expected from AMP over the next, let's say, 4 to 6 weeks. So again, towards the end of August, early September, we should see AMP trading at a higher value than where it is at the moment. However, guys, this again depends on how the crypto market performs and how Bitcoin performs. If we do see Bitcoin popping up to 35-40k in August, September, we are going to see major increases. However, if we do see it drop down to about 20-25k, we are going to see major drops in value in the crypto market as well. But at the moment, positive vibes. So guys, an overall increase in value is what I'm expecting from AMP. But you guys have asked for regular updates on this crypto, which I have been doing and I will be doing as well. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on AMP. Guys, comment down below what is the highest figure you guys predict AMP to hit in 2023. Let me know in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.